Ever wondered what the view from the top of the world looks like? Welcome to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on the planet. Imagine standing at the foot of this mammoth structure, your eyes tracing its sleek silhouette all the way up to the sky. The Burj Khalifa stands as an impressive testament to human ingenuity and ambition, piercing the heavens at a staggering 828 meters. That's over half a mile high. As we step into the ultra-modern high-speed elevator, we're whisked upwards at an exhilarating speed. In less than a minute, we've ascended over 124 floors. The ride itself is an experience, as we're surrounded by a captivating multimedia presentation, showcasing Dubai's history and the story behind the construction of this architectural marvel. Exiting the elevator, we find ourselves on the observation decks. Here, through floor-to-ceiling glass windows, we're offered an unparalleled panoramic view of the city. It's a sight that seems to stretch on forever, encompassing the shimmering Persian Gulf, the sprawling cityscape, and the vast expanse of the desert beyond. From this vantage point, we see the grand tapestry of Dubai, the meticulously planned city blocks, the serpentine curves of the Dubai Canal, the lush green of Safa Park, and the multitude of skyscrapers that make up the city's skyline. It's a view that's both humbling and awe-inspiring, reminding us of the sheer scale and magnificence of the world we live in. As we ascend further to the outdoor terrace, the air thin and crisp, we're hit by a gentle breeze. It's an invigorating experience being this high up, with the city laid out beneath us like an intricate model. And as the sun sets, bathing the city in a warm golden glow, the view from the Burj Khalifa transforms. It's a magical spectacle, with the city lights twinkling like stars against the twilight sky. Standing at the top of Burj Khalifa, one can truly appreciate the grandeur of Dubai. From the heights of Burj Khalifa, we descend into the haven of shopping, the Dubai Mall. This shopping paradise, one of the world's largest, is not just a retail hub, but a universe brimming with entertainment and culinary delights. Imagine strolling through the corridors that house over 1,200 stores, presenting an eclectic mix of high-end brands and boutique fashion that caters to the taste of every style-savvy shopper. But the allure doesn't stop at retail therapy. The Dubai Mall is also home to a world of entertainment, ranging from the mesmerizing Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo to the adrenaline-rushing VR park. And when it's time to rest those weary feet, the mall offers a smorgasbord of culinary delights, with over 200 food outlets serving cuisines from every corner of the globe. From high fashion to mouth-watering cuisine, the Dubai Mall truly has something for everyone. Leaving the bustling mall behind, we now venture to the serene and picturesque Palm Jumeirah. This man-made marvel of Dubai is a testament to human ambition and creativity. Shaped like a palm tree, the archipelago is an extraordinary spectacle that extends into the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf. It houses some of the city's most luxurious residences and five-star hotels, each more opulent than the last. Imagine waking up to unparalleled views of the sea and the city's skyline every day. That's the reality for the fortunate residents of Palm Jumeirah. But it's not just about the residences. The archipelago is also host to a myriad of world-class restaurants, beach clubs, and marinas. It's a place where the high life meets tranquility, where the hustle and bustle of the city gives way to peaceful sea breezes and stunning sunsets. Palm Jumeirah, a testament to human ingenuity, is a sight to behold. From one marvel to another, we now find ourselves at the sail-shaped masterpiece, the Burj Al Arab. Nestled on its own island, this stunning structure reaches for the sky, embodying the spirit of Dubai in its grandeur and luxury. With a design inspired by the sail of a ship, it symbolizes the city's rich maritime heritage while pointing towards its future ambitions. The Burj Al Arab isn't just a visual spectacle, it's an experience of opulence. From the lavish suites that redefine comfort and elegance, to the world-class dining that tantalizes your taste buds, every moment here is steeped in luxury. Beyond the physical attributes, this iconic hotel stands as a testament to Dubai's relentless pursuit of excellence, its ability to dream big and transform those dreams into reality. The Burj Al Arab stands as a symbol of Dubai's unapologetic luxury, a beacon of the city's ambition and achievement, and a testament to the limitless possibilities that define this dynamic city. Away from the glitz and glamour of the city, we find solace in the calming waters of the Dubai Marina. Here, the hustle and bustle of Dubai gives way to the serene rhythm of the sea. As we cruise along the marina, we're embraced by a stunning panorama of towering skyscrapers, each standing as a testament to the city's architectural prowess. The luxurious yachts moored along the boardwalk, the waterfront cafes serving exotic cuisines, the laughter of children playing in the parks all contribute to the vibrant atmosphere of this lively neighborhood. As the sun slowly dips behind the skyscrapers, the marina comes alive with a dazzling display of lights, reflecting off the calm waters and creating a spectacle that's nothing short of magical. Every turn reveals a new sight, a new sound, a new experience. This is more than just a cruise. It's a journey through a unique blend of tranquility and excitement that characterizes Dubai Marina, a peaceful retreat amidst the city's towering skyline. From the tranquil marina to the pulsating heart of the desert, we embark on a thrilling desert safari. As we venture out into the vast expanse of golden sands, the city's skyscrapers fade into a distant mirage, replaced by rolling dunes as far as the eye can see. The adventure begins with dune bashing, a heart-stopping ride across the undulating desert landscape. Feel the adrenaline surge as our 4x4 vehicle plows through the sand, cresting steep dunes and plunging into sandy valleys. It's a rollercoaster ride unlike any other, where the unpredictable desert terrain adds an element of surprise to every twist and turn. From the high-speed excitement of dune bashing, we slow down to the gentle pace of a camel ride. Perched high on these ships of the desert, we journey deeper into the wilderness, swaying rhythmically with each step the camel takes. It's a timeless experience, evoking the spirit of the Bedouin nomads who once traversed these very sands. As the day draws to an end, we are treated to the grand finale, a mesmerizing desert sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of orange and purple hues, casting long shadows on the undulating dunes. It's an ethereal sight, a moment of tranquility that contrasts sharply with the earlier adrenaline rush. In the cool of the evening, under a blanket of twinkling stars, we gather around a bonfire. The air is filled with the aroma of traditional Emirati cuisine being prepared, a tantalizing end to an action-packed day. The desert safari, a thrilling and unforgettable experience, truly captures the spirit of Dubai. From the adrenaline-pumping dune bashing to the serene camel ride, and finally the enchanting desert sunset, it's a journey that encapsulates the city's contrasts, its modernity and tradition, its excitement and tranquility. But most of all, it's a testament to the enduring allure of the desert, a landscape that has shaped the city's past and continues to shape its future. From the vast expanse of the desert, we now delve into the glimmering labyrinth of the Gold Souk. This bustling market, located in the heart of Dubai's commercial business district, is a treasure trove of gold, silver, and precious stones. Every corner sparkles with a dazzling array of jewelry, from intricate necklaces and bracelets to ornate rings and earrings. Here, craftsmanship meets artistry, as each piece is meticulously designed and created with a level of detail that is nothing short of astonishing. But the Gold Souk is more than just a market. It's a unique shopping experience. The vibrant atmosphere, the haggling, and the sheer variety of designs make it an adventure for the senses. Whether you're looking for a special souvenir or simply want to feast your eyes on the shimmering spectacle, the Gold Souk is a must-visit destination. The Gold Souk, where the streets are literally paved with gold. We end our journey with a spectacle of water and light at the captivating Dubai Fountain Show. Imagine, if you will, a ballet of water, dancing and swaying under the night sky. Each jet of water synchronized with the rhythm of the music, creating a harmonious choreography of water and light. This is not just a fountain, it's a performance, an art form that captivates and delights. As the music swells, so does the water, reaching up high, trying to touch the sky, only to fall back into the pool, ready for the next act. It's a mesmerizing sight, a testament to the grandeur and creativity of this city. Dubai has a way of making the ordinary extraordinary, and the Dubai Fountain Show is no exception. The Dubai Fountain Show, a dazzling end to a memorable journey through Dubai.